A. Tiger, B. Markhor, C. Lion. Correct answer is B. Markhor. Which company provided the first 4G network on the moon? A. Nokia, B. Samsung, C. Reliance Jio. Correct answer is A. Nokia. In which Indian state is consuming alcohol illegal? A. Gujarat, B. Punjab, C. Kerala. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. How does an earthworm breathe? A. Lungs, B. Skin, C. Gills. Correct answer is B. Skin. Which tree's wood is more expensive than gold? A. Sandalwood, B. Teak, C. Rosewood. Correct answer is A. Sandalwood. Which Indian state has the largest forest area? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. How many humps does a camel have? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3. Correct answer is A. 1. Which Indian territory has not recorded a single murder since independence? A. Sikkim, B. Lakshadweep, C. Nagaland. Correct answer is B. Lakshadweep. When was the rocket invented? A. 13th century, B. 18th century, C. 20th century. Correct answer is A. 13th century. Which animal lives the longest? A. Turtle, B. Greenland shark, C. Elephant. Correct answer is B. Greenland shark. Which country has the most mosques? A. Pakistan, B. India, C. Indonesia. Correct answer is B. India. Where did the first train run in India? A. Mumbai to Thane, B. Kolkata to Hooghly, C. Delhi to Agra. Correct answer is A. Mumbai to Thane. Which creature does not have eyes? A. Earthworm, B. Frog, C. Snake. Correct answer is A. Earthworm. Eating the bran of which grain helps in body development? A. Wheat, B. Barley, C. Rice. Correct answer is A. Wheat. Karachi is situated on the bank of which river? A. Indus, B. Mali, C. Brahmaputra. Correct answer is B. Mali. In which country was sugar discovered? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. India. Which country is the world leader in the cotton textile industry? A. India, B. China, C. Bangladesh. Correct answer is A. India. Which country has sugarcane as its national tree? A. Cuba, B. Fiji, C. Barbados. Correct answer is A. Cuba.